If you're wanting to know why you should buy the Best Printers Cleaning Kit and some useful tips on how to use the cleaning kit more effectively, then stay tuned. You won't want to miss this video. Hey, what is going on? The Printer Guy here. And in this video, I wanted to talk to you about why you should purchase the Best Printers Cleaning Kit over any other cleaning kit that is on the market, specifically on Amazon. There are a lot of other kits that are on the market for a lower price, but I want to explain to you why you should buy the Best Printers Cleaning Kit over those lower priced kits. Now, if you've already purchased the Best Printers Cleaning Kit, then you can skip this portion of the video where I'm going to be talking about why you should buy the cleaning kit, because I am going to be sharing some really useful tips that will help you use the Best Printers Cleaning Kit more effectively. So at the bottom of this video, you can hover over and you will see that there are video chapters so that you can skip to different parts of this video. If you have not purchased the Best Printers Cleaning Kit yet, please watch this entire video. Now, there will be a link down in the description below for the Best Printers Cleaning Kit. So at any point during this video, you can pause, go down there. It's the very first link at the top of the description box, and you can purchase the cleaning kit there. It is sold primarily on Amazon, and that is where you will see some of my competitors. And these are going to be competitors that are going to be priced at a much lower price. And I want to explain to you why they're priced lower and why I'm priced higher. One of the main reasons why many of these other cleaning kits are priced lower is they are foreign sellers. And so the first reason you should buy the Best Printers Cleaning Kit is that it's the product that I personally, as the printer guy, stand behind. Since 2018, I have been developing and using this product. And so I have created the best version of the cleaning kit that I have used for it to be more effective and more efficient when I'm using it. And so I have passed that down to the end consumer that is going to be using the cleaning kit for printer cleanings. Number two is when you buy another kit, I can't really speak to the results. And of course, I can't really refund you because I don't have control over that product purchase. When you buy the Best Printers Cleaning Kit, we can help you troubleshoot a little bit better. And if a refund is needed, we can provide that refund. Reason number three is this is a very high quality product, from the 20 milliliter syringe to all the pieces that you end up getting that make this kit compatible with so many different printer models, and also the cleaning fluid. A lot of time, effort, and thought went into this specific cleaning kit. That 20 milliliter syringe is very important because there are times where you want to be able to push 20 milliliters at a time to break a clog. And if you stop at 10 milliliters, I have found that that can cause an issue and you would have to reset, and you're not going to be as efficient or effective when you're doing the cleanings. Lastly, the Best Printers Cleaning Kit is a part of this channel's in-house brand. And so we are based out of the United States. This is a United States based brand. And so when you have an issue and you are messaging us on Amazon, you are getting US based support. Not only that, we are experienced using the product, and so you're going to get the absolute best support that you can get for a cleaning kit on Amazon. Now, we have hundreds, thousands of positive reviews, and so we pride ourselves on having a very good product that functions as intended. And of course, there's a money back guarantee. So if things don't work out, we have never refused someone their money back. All right, so now I want to move on to some useful tips when using the Best Printers Cleaning Kit. I wanted to make a broad video like this because I get so many questions, and they all kind of come back to these four things that I want to talk to you about in this portion of the video. And number one is you really need to follow all the instructions that are on the packaging. I know that you may have just watched a repair video for your specific printer, but those instructions are going to be really broad, and anything that was missed in the video is covered in those instructions. So it's really important that you follow all the instructions, especially the instructions to leave the printer powered off for 24 hours. Make sure the area is dry totally before you power back on. If you don't do that, the printer can get damaged. Number two is running printhead cleanings and power cleanings, especially with the Epson EcoTank models. That's the power cleanings. And with most other brands, there's some version of a printhead cleaning, a deep cleaning. They're named different things. They're under settings, maintenance with most printers. But basically, after you do the cleaning with the cleaning kit, you have to get ink pushed back into the system. You only are able to do that by running one of these cleanings. Doing this printhead cleaning in the settings might seem redundant, but really what you are doing is pushing ink back into the system. You have flushed the printhead. Now ink has to come back into the system so that the ink system can begin printing properly again. Now, if you're having trouble with this process and for some reason you keep on doing the cleaning, or maybe there is a nozzle that will not allow for cleaning fluid to be pushed through, what you'll want to do is warm up the cleaning fluid and reapply that cleaning fluid in its warmed up state. So there's a few different ways you can heat up the cleaning kit. I do have some videos on this channel showing you how to do that. I'll leave some of those videos down below in the description box. Now lastly, and this really applies to Epsons, also HPs, it really just depends on the nozzle type, Brothers as well. If for some reason, even when you warmed up the fluid, you're still not able to push cleaning solution through a specific nozzle or any of the nozzles, you will want to try a push-pull method. Essentially, you are going to fill the syringe halfway at about 10 milliliters, and you're going to begin pushing, but then pulling. Pushing, and you may not be able to get that push totally, but you're essentially just pushing and then pulling back on the syringe multiple times, and that many times can break a blockage that is in one of these nozzles. All right, so tip number 5 is you'll want to make sure that you have fresh ink in your printer. You probably already heard me mention this in the video that you watched previously, but this is very important. Starting from the beginning of this process. Now, if you're using ink cartridges, you'll want to make sure to have a new set of ink cartridges on hand. And if you're using ink bottles, you'll want to fill up your ink tanks all the way to the top line. If you skip this step, it could be that you're doing all of this for nothing, because really you'll need that new ink, and you'll need the ink to be totally full in order for the new ink to be pushed into the system. So this tip, really, you'll want to follow this starting at the beginning of the cleaning process. Before you do a power cleaning, before you do a printhead cleaning, you'll want to start off with fresh ink to make sure that that new ink can get into the system and you can begin printing normally again. Now, if you end up needing to buy additional cleaning fluid for the cleaning kit, we do sell it at the Best Printer store on Amazon. It's going to be the second link down in the description below. You can also browse other products that we have available, such as photo paper, maintenance boxes for Epson EcoTank printers, and some additional products. All right, so I really hope you ended up getting a good idea of why you should buy the Best Printers cleaning kit. And also, I hope that these tips were useful to you in using the Best Printers cleaning kit. Now, if this video ended up being helpful, please make sure to like the video. Any questions at all, comment below. And if you want more content like this, please make sure to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time. For additional support, please visit bestprinterstech.com. There is a dedicated page that will help you with using the Best Printers cleaning kit. We also have an FAQ page to answer commonly asked questions. Thank you so much for watching until the end of this video. I handpicked 2 videos that are here on the screen for you to watch next. Also consider subscribing to this channel. There's so much helpful content for you if you're a printer owner, and it's just good to have a resource like this for you in the future, whether you're dealing with a printer that's not printing well or you need more printer recommendations. So I look forward to seeing you again in another video.